All right, Royals, we are continuing on with our holiday cinema. Before we get into that, you guys, I want to share with you some items that were sent over to me by today's sponsors, Yvette Sports, guys. You guys, I am so impressed with this company. It is an online store that provides breathable, stretchable, very good quality athletic wear. As you can see, I am wearing a super cute and comfy sports bra, and your girl is rack heavy, and a beautiful rose color. I also got the leggings, and to pair with, if you're not comfortable showing too much skin, this cute little hooded jacket I absolutely love. Just because you're working out don't mean you can't be cute and stylish while doing so. One of my goals for the upcoming year is to make some lifestyle enhancements. Not so much as a resolution, but just to do the things that make me feel better and more confident in myself. And this, you guys, these outfits are definitely going to help usher in that ability to do so. As you can see, they are cute and comfy, nice and stretchy. I love the details. They have the Yvette symbol or name etched in every piece, you guys. These pieces are absolutely amazing, and I feel real cute. So I'm going to be cute and stylish while fighting the battle of the bulge. Now, you know I had to pick up something in my signature color, you guys. This really cute crossback sports bra along with the nice high-waist leggings are giving me all the thrills and feels as I prepare to get this body snatched and together. Can you say fabulous athletic wear? If you're not comfortable showing as much skin, guys, they sent over these cute little T-back tops that are nice and breathable. It comes in an assortment of colors, which I will show you shortly, but it is nice and stretchy, guys, allowing you to work out comfortably and cover those areas that you may not be comfortable exposing or what have you. And here are the other colors. They sent it over in a nice soft blue and a pretty mauve color, but these are great ways to give yourself that extra coverage as you're working out. And so now I'm going to show you how to just layer on and mix and match the pieces, guys. Here I got the aqua ensemble that I have paired with the black pullover jacket. Super cute, super comfy. And again, everything is breathable and stretchy. Their website has a plethora of colors and designs to choose from. So I will leave a link in my description box for you to shop to your heart's content, guys. But in addition to athletic wear, they also carry nice comfy outerwear. So I picked up this cute little crop sweater in the nice camel color, the perfect color for the winter fall season. You can pair it with jeans, the nice color camel boots, and you are set to shop till you drop, or just lounge and be cute however you suit. But this is a super cute sweater, and I am so thankful and excited to have partnered with Yvette Sportswear with this amazing collaboration. Just showing you the details of it. And so now, without any further ado, let's get into the holiday cinema of it all. I share with you Emerald City Uptown Edition, guys. This is my bathroom in my owner's suite, and I just wanted to give it a nice, perfect complement to the adjoining room, guys, and which you will see that in the upcoming video. But sit back and relax and enjoy Emerald City Uptown Edition.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold.
All right, guys, how fabulous are these DIY wall pieces? These are simply canvases I picked up from Hobby Lobby, used some coordinating gift wrap that's be styled under my tree, and created some nice wall decor to coordinate with this black and white with that pop of emerald green and pink to give me that emerald green uptown feel. This space is beautiful and functional in that my spot cart houses all of my necessary essentials with a few black and white accents from Amazon to tie in the look. All of the gift wrap, you guys, for my DIY pieces are from Hobby Lobby, as well as the ribbon that I use to make the cute little bows. The black and white towels are from Amazon, as well as the green towels. All of my crystal pieces are by Shannon, or also known as Dublin, and they are just a staple in my bathroom, so I will keep them. But I am most excited about this wall decor, you guys. It just took the bathroom to another level. Now, these cute little tie backs are also from Amazon. Of course, I had to coordinate with the black and white. The shower curtains are by K. Gorge, and it's that rich emerald green, and they definitely set the tone for the Emerald City theme. As part of the holiday cinema, I feel like this space perfectly complements the adjoining space that you will see in Monday's video, so click the notification bells. But before Monday, I have a special surprise on Sunday. And now, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And I would love to have you come along and be a part of this Royal holiday journey and beyond with me. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. If you haven't already, guys, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I've been sharing some of the decor and style I've been doing for commercial and residential homes. You don't want to miss the treats that I've been sharing along the way. Again, hit those notification bells because there will be another treat on Sunday, an amazing collaboration that you don't want to miss. And come back on Monday as I will continue the holiday cinema and climaxing with the holiday home tour. Guys, also click the links in my description box. You will find my Amazon store there. You can shop 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to your heart's content. So as the holiday styling continues on, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and until the next video, have yourselves a blessed and most amazingly beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.